Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Office website. You can do this by typing Microsoft Office into your search engine or directly entering office.com in the address bar. On the Microsoft Office website, explore the available options. If you are interested in the subscription-based model with additional feature, consider Microsoft 365. Click on Sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365 to create a new account. Or if you already have one, simply sign in. After signing in, click on this Install Apps button. Click on it to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, open the installer and install Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.